My bacon Bloody Mary is the perfect cocktail to serve for a brunch or a breakfast, especially when you have family and friends coming over. What makes my cocktail special is in place of the vodka, I use tequila and sake. They complement each other perfectly. The sake gives it body, and the tequila, well, that gives it depth. It is perfectly complex and refreshing. And of course, everything is better with bacon. Okay, so I have my oven preheated at 400 degrees, and I've got my favorite bacon here. You want to make sure to pick some good, thick cooked bacon, and my favorite is Smithfield Hickory Smoked. Let's go ahead and place this in the oven for about 10 minutes, then we'll come back and make the glaze. So the glaze couldn't be any easier. Let's add our brown sugar, soy sauce, and chipotle pepper. Whisk that together. Perfect. So the bacon has been cooking for about 10 minutes. It's time to put the glaze on. Oh, this glaze smells so good. There we go. Just put a nice even coating. And this glazed bacon is so versatile. You can put it on hamburgers, sandwiches, pizza, salads. Perfect for breakfast, brunch. Isn't bacon perfect anytime? Let's flip it over. Get the other side. And of course, they're perfect in a Bloody Mary. So we glaze them halfway through because you only want the glaze in the oven for about 10 to 15 minutes because otherwise it's going to burn. There we go, back in the oven for 10 to 15 minutes. Let's add our salt, our tahini. Perfect. And some lime zest. Look at how easy this is to make. I like to grate mine just a little bit coarser. Then you can really see the lime zest in the mixture. That looks like a good amount. Let's add that in and give it a whisk. It's pretty and it adds a great kick to your cocktail. Okay, let's make this Bloody Mary, or you can also call it a Bloody Maria. Here we go. I love tahini. It's red chili powder mixed with dehydrated lime and salt. Ooh, look at that rim. All right, let's add our glazed bacon, the ice. Okay, so now in a cocktail shaker, let's add our Bloody Mary mix. You can buy your favorite one at the store, or you can go to my website, marydesoma.com. I make my own Bloody Mary mix, and I really love it, and I think you will too. Let's add some sake and some tequila. And the reason why I'm adding sake and tequila as opposed to vodka, because they go perfect together. One, the sake has an umami flavor, and the tequila gives a great punch. They perfectly complement each other to make a delicious complexity to the drink. And there we go. Can't wait to taste this. Oh, perfectly balanced, complex, refreshing. Delicious.